Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you join Souls RNG Discord server. In order to join Souls RNG Discord server, you need to follow the steps. First of all, you want to open your Discord application, so type in discord.com and log into your account. Next, from the left hand side corner, click the plus button or add server from the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. After which, you simply want to tap on join a server and type in the link, that is discord.gg/soulsrng. You want to click on the join server button, after which you'll be able to see this autofill where you need to go ahead and make sure to read all these terms and conditions and join the server. So what you want to do is, first of all, you would go ahead and click on Rules Guide, read that out, make sure to mark on the terms and conditions and click on Visit Sites. As you've done it, so you want to go ahead and read the terms once again, and moving on to the next field, you want to scroll down and go ahead and select the rules. Once again, you have to go ahead and read all the terms and conditions, and you'll have a permission to send message in this channel. That is how you could join a Souls RNG server. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.